Shifusi, a town in China's Hunan province, traditionally known for its jade business, is gaining a new reputation in the region for ethnic unity. In recent years, more than 1,000 ethnic Uyghurs have settled here and make a living with the jade business. Azadi Guli from Xinjiang has lived in Shifusi for over a decade and regarded this town as their second home long ago. She has found her love here and worked her way up from being a laundry worker to becoming the owner of a jade shop.
好，新年好。今天嘛第一天，有很多都看今天。咱们是老朋友，你是我也比哥哥，觉得有面子。
微信支付收款
恭喜
到账。
发财！
啊，都发财，也发财啊！
哇，你已经开张了，开一下，老公，这个今天的开张，2000多，成功了，加油！
To ensure better living conditions, as early as 2016, the local government invested more than 40 million yuan to build 408 units of public rental housing for Uyghur people, and the rent is less than half of the market rate. Every spring, the community organizes a resident sports meet, and Azada Guli's family is always one of the most enthusiastic participants.
比赛项目团体第一名的是3号楼代表队，第2名的是6号楼代表队。
In order to broaden the horizons of jade merchants from Xinjiang, the community organized a visit to a jade carving master studio, which is the cradle for training jade carving masters.
你们在这里几年了
10年多了。
10年了，哎呀，
10年多。
那镇平话你们都能听懂了。这是毛料没有切，这是切开的啊。对对，这就是天然的独山玉料。
我也学习可以吗？
你可以啊，啊。多余的一件一件把它磨掉，这个可以换，大的小的可以随便换啊。来，它这就跟写字一样，随便磨啊，随便用力。 啊，挺好，好，啊，挺好，对，经常来啊，我送大家。